Alright guys, welcome back. I am going to talk about how minimalism has helped me. Now, I want to have a small disclaimer here. I am not I don't know if you want to say a full minimalist. I mean, my house has stuff in it. It's not empty. But there are certain aspects of my life where I really try to cut down on stuff. So honestly, first things first, it makes me feel really free. So free in my mind and free of things to attach to, you know? I guess when you have a lot of stuff, when you have a lot of favorite stuff, you start growing attached to things. I mean, it's mental, right? I mean, the more that you kind of detach away from things, the more that you don't have things around you, the more free mentally you feel. And one thing is really obvious is that you spend less money because you're buying less things. So say, for example, when I used to go traveling, I would buy a ton of things, you know, everything that you see because everything is new and you know, fun and cute and you just want to buy it all. But since I stopped doing that, I have saved so much money while traveling. What I spend my money on is experiences or food, because those things you consume, it's not things that you have to bring home, physical things, then you have to find a place to put it, then you have to dust it off when it collects dust, and it does nothing for you. And I think it's all about creating room for things that are important for you. I mean, when you can think of it mentally or physically, when you have a room full of things, there's no longer room for things that are really important for you. There's just room for things that are collecting dust. In the last couple of years, health has become so important for me that I am putting almost all or a lot of my effort into maintaining my health, doing things that are healthy for me. If I have things around my house all the time and finding room for it and then dealing with it day in, day out, I don't have room to deal with my health, things that are important for me. And lastly, I think since kind of, you know, dabbling in minimalism, trying to practice it here and there, I think it's made me more happy because there's just less things to deal with in general. I feel like when I look around the room and there are less things lying around, I feel at peace. Like when you're working, right? When I start to work, I have to clear my area. I have to clear my desks to make sure there's no papers lying around, pens lying around. I clean up the area and then I feel like, okay, everything's clean, my mind is clear, and I can focus on my work, right? It really affects my state of mind. So I don't know if that is the same for you guys. I mean, I'd love to know what you guys think. So thanks for watching. This concludes my 3-part series on minimalism. I think I may actually have a follow-up on it because I really like to talk about minimalism. But this is it for now. So thanks for tuning in and I will see you next time.